Hi guys, so today we are going to be unboxing the new DualShock 5. So this is the PlayStation's new PS5 controller. Now I do have the PS5 and I'm going to give you my final or initial thoughts on it. But first let's unbox this guy. Got a lip here, and that is about it. There's nothing really in the box. I'm gonna have to figure out how to take this out. Aha. No. Here we go. And right away we have an instruction manual. Yeah, an instruction manual, I believe, and the controller. So this is the new Sony controller. Now, having held it, it is, well, I mean, it's, I guess you could say, call it ergonomic. It's good to hold. It's better than the old DualShock 4. Sadly, I don't have it right now to show it, but it is better than the old DualShock 4. But to me, I prefer the Xbox controller because it has a little more beef to it. Now, the one thing Sony did release in these new controllers is the adaptive triggers. So in games like with trigger pulls with guns, these triggers would have resistance, which is, I've played it, I've used it, it is really good. Now, what's else in the box? Apparently that's it. Oh, charger, which is sad. I'm gonna have to talk to my delivery guy because this is not, I'm guessing they didn't ship a charger because they probably knew I already have one. But anyway, the controller is, well, white. Now, I know I don't really like black controller. White is a good touch with the contrast of black and white. Now, since it is matte, it's not gonna, I'm not sure how it would do for color wear over time. Maybe it gets some yellow, but I don't know. But anyway, this is your quick little 1 to 2 minute unboxing on this PS5 controller, and thank you for watching.